In this video, I'm going to go over the zero-touch partnering data view. This data view is based on the following documents: GBA 1027A, zero-touch partnering business capabilities, terminology and definitions; GB 1027B, zero-touch partnering technical capabilities; and GB 1027C, zero-touch partnering use cases. I'll leave the link for these three documents in the description. This data view covers definitions, purposes, and outcomes of the business capabilities associated with zero-touch partnering platform and mapped with relevant technical capabilities, and the technical capabilities of the platform mapped with the relevant use cases. The data view also contains a variety of user stories and use cases which support the ZTP reference architecture. They are provided with their description, requirements, associated models, and reference materials. The data view contains three data sources. We can see this by looking at the dropdown here. We have the ZTP business capabilities, the ZTP tech capabilities, and ZTP use cases. Business and technical capabilities are organized by domains. We can see these on the left-hand side of the screen. Clicking on a business capability allows it to display its properties panel on the right-hand side of the screen. Here we can see the name, description, the ID, if there is one, the outcome, and the associated ZTP technical capabilities. Clicking on a technical capability allows us to display its properties in the panel, like in the previous data source. And here we can also see the name, description, the purpose, outcome, the associated ZTP business capabilities, and any other associated use cases. Clicking on a use case item found in the use case data sources will display the name, description, pre-requirements, models, and associated ZTP technical capabilities. It is also possible to assign a stakeholder, a product and service, and a color tag to any of these capabilities across the data sources. This is done by going in to the settings or the color tags. In the technical capabilities, clicking on a technical capability associated to a business capability allows us to access it and display all the business capabilities associated with it. The same is true for the items, business capability or technical capabilities linked to technical capabilities or use cases. So if I click on this item here, I will be brought to the associated item in the use cases data source. Then, if we had any items tagged with colors or stakeholders, we could make use of the filter. There are several details here that you can filter by. Another useful view is the data source sunburst. This will provide us with a sunburst diagram of this data source. We can also make use of the Data View Explorer to view the hierarchical links and association links between elements and data views and data sources. By clicking on one of the data sources, we will see there are two options: to pin the element or to expand element links. Once I have clicked expand element links, I can see all of the groups present in that data source. I can then do the same thing to the groups and see all of the elements present in the group. Now, when I get to the element and I click expand, I will be able to see all of the other associated elements from the ZTP business capabilities and from the ZTP use cases. Business capabilities, technical capabilities, and use cases can be assigned to shapes in a process flow or BPMN diagram. Currently, I am in the process flow module, and by clicking on this element, I can see in the Assign Data Elements tab that there has been an item assigned from the technical capabilities in the zero-touch partnering capabilities data view. If I click on this item, it will open up a dialog box and it will show the properties of this element. Thank you for watching.